Hello students, second exercise up to 7 problems completed. Now 8th question, complete the following approximate interest. So they given some values, cost price, CP, expenses, want find SP and they given profit, find profit percentage. Means here total CP 750 plus 50, 800. They given profit, find SP and profit percentage. See these answers. Answer, what they given? CP. CP equal to 750 plus 50 equal to 800. For that, profit they given, profit equal to 80 rupees. For that, find SP. We get profit means SP equal to CP plus profit. 800 plus 80 will get 880. This is SP, 880 rupees. Now profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. Profit what? 80 by CP 800 into 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 8 ones, 8 tens. Now profit percentage 10%. Second one, they given cost price. CP they given 4,500 plus 500 equal to 5,000. 5,000 rupees. And again what they given? Loss they given. Loss means we'll get, loss means do subtraction, we'll get SP. SP equal to CP minus loss. CP how much? 5,000 minus loss 1,000. So we'll get SP equal to 4,000 rupees. SP 4,000. We'll get loss means find loss percent. Loss percent equal to formula loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. How much loss? 1,000. 1,000 by CP means 5,000 into 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 1 0 get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 20s. 20%. Loss percent equal to 20%. Cost price. CP equal to 46,000 plus 4,000. They given in question. For that, we'll get 50,000. 50,000 is CP. SP also they given. SP selling price equal to 60,000. Here observe, SP is more, means we'll get profit. Means SP is greater than CP. We'll get profit. So how much profit? Profit equal to 60,000 minus 50,000. 60,000 minus 50,000. We'll get 10,000. This is profit. Profit percent. Means percent of profit equal to formula. Profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. Profit how much? 10,000 by CP 50,000 into 100. Here 4 zeros get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 20s. So this is profit percentage 20%. Fourth question, CP they given, means cost price equal to, how much they given? 300 plus 50, 350 rupees. CP equal to 350 rupees. And profit percentage they given. Profit percent equal to 12%. Means we want find SP. SP equal to formula CP into 100 plus gain percent. Gain means nothing but profit. Profit percent by 100. This is formula for finding SP. CP how much? 350 into 100 plus gain percent 12% by 100. Here 350 into 100 plus 12, 112 by 100. Here see cancellation, 10, 10 get cancelled, 5 table, 5 sevens, 5 twos, again here 2 table, 2 ones, 2 5s, 10, 2 6, means 56 into 7. Remaining here cancellation, 2 ones, 2 5s, 10, 2 6, 12, 56 into 7 will get 392. This is SP. Selling price equal to 392. Here observe here CP equal to 350 rupees, SP 392. Will get profit. Means here SP is more. SP greater than CP. Will get profit. Means 392 minus 350 equal to 42 rupees. This is profit. Profit is 42 rupees. CP equal to 330 plus 20 will get 350, and they given loss percent equal to 10% they given. So loss means we want to find SP. Selling price equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. This is formula. So here CP 350 into 100 minus loss percent 10% by 100. 350 into 100 minus 10 will get 90 by 100. Here cancellation, 10 get cancelled, 5 table here, again 10 get cancelled. Remaining what? Here 0 get cancelled, here 0, 35 into 9. As it is 35 into 9 will get 315. This is SP. 315 is SP. Here observe CP minus SP will get loss. CP how much? 350 minus 315 will get 35 rupees. This is loss. They given loss percent. We find here loss. 9th question. A table was sold 2142 rupees and gain percent 5%. What price of gain percent in 10%? About 10%, what is gain percent? See this answer. Answer, SP of table. SP of a table equal to 2142 rupees and profit equal to 5%. Then they given profit percent equal to 5%. Profit percent equal to 5% they given. CP equal to formula 100 into SP by 100 plus G percent. Means they given profit. Profit nothing but gain. Both are same. Here 100 into SP means 2142 by 100 plus gain percent 5%. Here 100 into 2142 by 100 plus 5, 105. Here do cancellation. We'll get 5 table, 5 20s, 5 2s, 1s, again here 20, 21, 3 table here cancellation. Finally we'll get 2040 rupees. For this, the CP of buyer means who want to buy 2040 rupees. Now profit percent equal to 10%. They given another one, profit percent 10%. What is SP? SP equal to 2040 into 1 plus 10 by 10% by 100. Percent means 10 by 100. 2040 into here 1 plus 10 by 100 into nothing but bracket 2040 into here 100 into 1 100 100 plus 10 110 by 100. Here see 100 into 1 100 100 plus 10 110 by 100. Here cancellation 0 0 get cancelled. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 204 into 11. 204 into 11 will get 2244 rupees. 2244. What is this? SP. Therefore, selling price equal to 2244 rupees.